Man, I'm hungry. Where can I find food? Well, sir, there's a vending machine over there. If you need help with the vending machine, I could... Please insert money. All that's left are Takis. I can go with that. Please enter your number. Well, I guess I could... Whoops! Finally, now I can grab my Takis and get out of here. Where am I? Hey, come on, let's get them. It's not just for the snacks anymore. I gotta get out of here. Huh? Where am I? Alright, ye bad scum. We are at this land. I don't think so, Captain Brickbeard. Men, get ready for battle. Woo, I gotta sit down for this. Hey, any of you got popcorn? What is this popcorn you say? I think popcorn is just one of those crop corn that just pop out in the air and then they explode. You know what, Brickbeard? Let's get him for interrupting our battle. I agree. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta get out of here. Whoa, I'm in the future. Hello, welcome to year 9,200 to the negative billion of infinity. Wow, I love this place. What's kicking me? What? I'm getting scared. Is everything okay here? Out of my way. Phew, I made it back and right on the correct time without any awkwardness. Someone help me! Go, 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 go. I'm gonna go with this vending machine.
Nobody messes with Batman.
Except for me, because I didn't want to get caught up in this time travel junk.
Shut up. This is my spotlight.
This is my spotlight.
Actually, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Shh, quiet or else one of you gets it. Oh yeah, and... Oh yeah, boom. Look at this, look at this, look at this. It's the fun. I can still do my lightsaber move. See, look at this, look at this. I can still do my lightsaber move. Oh. Well, at least I still have insurance, so I can cover this. Hey, that's cheating. Oh yeah, well we got this, so you can't beat us. Oh yeah, well too bad. I got a lightsaber, yo. Yeah, so do I. Oh yeah, well I got a lightsaber too. Watch this. Oops, wrong one. Whoops, wrong one. I should really get these stuff labeled. Yeah, you need a lightsaber? Anyone want ice cream? Thank you for watching. Da 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 da.